Global Clients allows you to search clients across your entire network quickly and easily. Locating your client is simple. When in the client screen, you can search your client by first name, last name, email, or mobile. We highly recommend you search your clients by their unique mobile number, as this will search the entire network of sites and return exact matches. If you need to search by first name or last name, you can do this, but remember you'll need to hit the Search Other Locations button at the bottom of the screen as an extra step. When you have located the client you require, you can access their client profile and history or continue making an appointment for them. When in their client profile, if you make any changes to a global client, these details will be updated across all other locations they belong to. To access the client's history from other locations, you can also click on Client History and tick the button at the bottom of the screen to display all history from other sites. When the history is displayed, it'll let you know the location they came from, what services were performed, and any visit notes from that particular visit. If you'd like to view the client's total spend at other sites, you can click on the History Totals tab and then double click on other sites to expand the history totals at each location.